Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn the 8th class English. The name of the project is Math Magic. Right? We have already discussed some of its paragraphs. Today we will start from this class. जोट छाड़ी देते से आरंभ करिया. Now let's move to the next page, and this is the page. Yes, look at the picture. There are some people standing, right? And there are some camels. How many camels we don't know, and who are standing there we don't know, right? Now let's read the paragraphs and know who they are, right? So paragraph 5, the young man, after listening to them, said, you remember, when the young man and the camel man were going to king's palace, they saw three persons quarreling with one another, and 35 camels standing nearby. How many camels?
35.
35 camels. What were the camels doing? The camels were standing. How many persons? 3 persons. What were the 3 persons doing? Quarreling with one another. Right? So, the young man, after listening to them, तांका कथा सुनी, listening means सुनी, युवक कहला said, who said? The young man said, it is very easy, बहुत सहज, not difficult, it is very easy. Who said it? The young man said it. Saying this, ଏଇଭଳି କହି, he added the camel. Added means ମିଶେଇ ଦେଲା. There were 35 camels, and they had, the young man and the camel man had one camel. 35 plus 1 is equal to how many?
36.
36. Now it became 36. 35 camels became 36. Who added it? The young man added the camel to the number. They were riding to the head of 30. Head means ghost of 30. That means they added the camel they were riding. तांके riding करुवा camel टिको added to the head of the 35 camels. 35 टी camel गोष्ठी मध्य मिशे देले, गोठ मध्य मिशे देले. Now the total number of the camels became how many? 36. Right? The eldest son, eldest सबुठारु बड़ पुओ, the eldest son who was to get 17.5, बड़ पुओ जी पाइतांदा 17 पूर्ण 1/2 टी camel पाइतांदा, got 18. 17 अधे पाइया बदले 18 पाइला. बेसी पाइला ना कम पाइला बड़ पुओ? बेसी पाइला. आउ अधे बेसी पाइ गेला. Could understand? He was to get 17.5, but get 18. He was happy. खुशी गेला. Next, he was happy. The second son got 12 camels. How many camels did this second son get? 12 camels. The second son got 12 camels. How many camels did the first son get? The first son got 18 camels. He was to get less than 12. ସିଏ ମଧ୍ୟ 12 less than means କମ. I have told you in mathematics 10 is 1 less than 11 but 1 more than 9. Could you understand? 10 is 1 less than 11 but 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9, right? Oh, less than means come. He was also happy. The youngest son, ସବୁଠାରୁ ସାନ ପୁଅ, who was to get less than 4 camels, got 4. ସେ ପାଇଥାନ୍ତା 4 ରୁ କମ, ପାଇଲା 4. ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଥାନ୍ତା 12 ରୁ କମ, ପାଇଲା 12. So all of them got more what they had to get. ସେମାନେ ଯାହା ପାଇଥାନ୍ତେ ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକା ପାଇଗଲେ. The youngest son who was to get less than 4 camels got 4. He was happy too. But the happiest man was the young math man. But the happiest man was the young math man. Why? Because the young math man was not to get anything. Se kichhi pai na thanda. Could you understand? But after distributing the camels among the 3 brothers, he got 1. So he was the happiest man. Now, how many people were there? There were how many people? 5. 1 camel man, 1 math man, and other 3 brothers. Others are 3 brothers. Total 5 camels. 35 plus 1, 36. Okay. But the happiest man was the young math man. By solving their problems, he himself got a camel. Solve समाधान करदेला. By solving समाधान करी problem इनची समस्या सेमानकर समस्या समाधान करी he got 1 camel. So he was the happiest one. The 3 brothers had 35 camels, but they got 34 camels. The 3 brothers had 35 camels, but after distribution, the 3 brothers got 34 camels. 1 less than 35, you know. What a combine? How many? 18 plus 12 plus 4. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30 plus 4 is 34. They had to get 35 but got just 34. 1 less than the expected number. All the brothers gained 1 camel each. All the brothers gained 1 camel each. प्रत्येक गोटे पाइले. The young math man gained 1. Though he had no camel of his own, तार निजर बोली camel नताई गोटे पाई गला. Think how केमिति. So this is the magic of knowing mathematics. Knowing means जानिबा. एटा होची magic cook गणित जानिबार cook. This is the magic of knowing mathematics, right? And the 2 Arabs moved on to the king's palace for seeking a job. The math man and the camel man, both are 2 Arabs, they moved on to the king's palace for seeking a job, chakiri. Next. Question answer. It is a very comprehension question, bodhagamya prashna. It is a very easy. What was very easy? Dividing the camels among 3 brothers was very easy. What did the young Arab did? what did the young Arab do? This is not a did, this is do to divide the camel. To divide the camel,
To divide the camel.
the young Arab added the camel they were riding, riding to the head of 35 camels. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. It is like this. How many camels did each brother get? How many camels did the eldest brother got? 18 camels. The second brother got 12 camels, and the youngest brother got 4 camels. Why were they happy? They were happy because each one of them got more than what he was to get. Who was the happiest of all the persons present? The math man was the happiest of all the persons present. Why? Because he was not to get any camel, but after distribution he got a camel. So he was the happiest of all persons. Everybody thought he had gained, but did they really gain or loss? Every brother thought he had gained, but really they did not gain. Rather, they lost one camel in total. Next, because they had to get 35 camels in all together, but they got 34 camels. That means one less than the expected number. So actually they were in loss. Do you think the young man will get a job in the king's court? Yes. I think the young man would get a job in the king's court. Right. Next, move to the student versus student in a word group. They do this reading from the text. This is a dialogue, Solapa, Kathapakathanota, between two students, between two men, young men. Right? This is a conversation, Solapa, dialogue, Kathapakathana between two. One is a man, another is a young man. First, man. Hey, young man, what are you doing here? The young man, counting the birds. Man, counting the flying birds. Yes, man, such a numbers. Young man, I can count them correctly. How did you learn counting? I worked as a shepherd boy. Every day I counted the head of my sheep. You are very good at counting. You will get a good job. Shall I? Where? When? Come with me. I shall take you to the king. Okay, this was the dialogue between a man and a young man. Now let's move to the tail piece. Here is a tail piece. Wise men solve others' problems. ज्ञानी लोक माने प्रॉब्लम सी समस्या अदर अन्य ज्ञानी लोक माने अन्य मानकर समस्या समाधान कर दियंती. बट हु विल हेल्प देम व्हेन दे आर इन ए फिक्स. किंतु से ज्ञानी लोक माने जेतला विवाद रे पड़ी जिबे न जजो न तत्वरे रही जिबे फिक्स रही जे सेतला ताकू किए साहाय्य करियो. हु विल हेल्प देम. भगवान आमको साहाय्य करछंती असुविधार पड़ले किंतु भगवान जेतला असुविधार पड़छे हु विल हेल्प देम. गॉड हेल्प्स अस इन ट्रबल बट व्हेन गॉड इज इन ट्रबल हु विल हेल्प देम. भगवान के साहाय्य करियो. हियर इज ए स्टोरी 6 वाइज मैन. 6 चतुर लोक ज्ञानी लोक. Once means what?
Thai.
Right. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Once 6 wise men went on a journey. Journey बोले यात्रा. अरे छह जन चतुर लोक यात्रा रे बाहरले. Who went on a journey? Who went? 6 wise men went on a journey together. एकत्र. On their way, astil on their way, semane jiba rasta re. On their way, there was a deep river. On whose way? On the 6 wise men's way, there was a deep river. Gote gavira nadi padila. Could you understand or not? Tell. What they saw? There was a deep river. They saw a deep river. There was no boat. What did I say? There was no boat. Boat means what? Nauka nahi. So they swam across the river. एनु करी समाने नौका पाए नदी पार होई करी गले. Could you understand? Who swam across? Swim, swim, verb. Swam past tense, swim, swam. So they swam across the river. They all reached the other bank safely. They reached पहुंच गए the other bank. अन्य नदीर आर पार्श्व पहुंच गले safely निरापद रे. Could you understand? Who went on a journey? The 6 wise men went on a journey. On the way, what did they see? They saw a deep river. Could you understand? There was no boat, so they swam across the river and reached the other side safely. Are we all safe? Asked one of the wise men. One of the wise men, ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ ପଚାରିଲା, are we all safe? ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ଅଛେ ନା? Let's make sure, said the other. ଆଉ ଜଣେ କହିଲା, ତାହେଲେ ଚାଲ ଆଗ ଦେଖିଦେବା. ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଭଲରେ ଅଛେ କି ସମସ୍ତେ ଆସିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ, କିଏ ହଜିଲା କି କିଏ ମଲା କି କିଏ ଭାସିଗଲା. We don't know. Let's count. Let's recheck. Let's make sure. So the first man counted the other. Who counted? The first man counted the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And said, look, one of us is missing. ଜଣେ ଗଣିଲା ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ନିଜକୁ ମିଶେଇନି. Did not count him. So what happened? He counted 5 and said that one man was missing. One man is missing. Hurry. ଆମେ ଆସିଥିଲେ 6. We were 6. Now we are 5. One man is missing. ଆମେ 6 ଥିଲୁ. ଏବେ 5 ଅଛୁ. ଆଉ ଜଣେ ହଜି ଯାଇଛି. One of us is missing. There are only 5 of us here. You are silly. Bayadare gote bhutta. Said the second wise man. Let me count and see. Kai mu gani dekhi. Who said? Second wise man. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. We are only 5. अरे सत कथा तो आमे 5 आ गए. We are only 5. God, one of us is missing. Hey, oh God, one of us is missing. The second wise man also said. The second wise man also made the same mistake.
That's awesome.
Next. Is not it interesting? Very interesting story. So, the third man counted and the fourth man, yes, there are only 5 of them. All counted the same number, that is 5. Could you understand? could understand what a mistake they did. कौन भूल गले? They did not count them. They did not count themselves.
ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ନିଜକୁ ମିଶେଇ କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. They all sat down and cried. ସମସ୍ତେ ବସି ବେଲେ କାନ୍ଦିଲେ. We missed one of our friend. We missed one of our friend. Who said that? The wise men. All the wise men cried, but nobody was missing. All were present. The problem was that they made a mistake in counting. They all sat down and cried, one of us is drowned. How said कि दुखर कथा one of us is drowned. जने बुड़ी जाइतिला. Our dear friend is drowned. आमर गोटे सांग बुड़ी गला. One of our friend drowned in the river. What shall we say when we go to village? They cried like this. What shall we do now? आमे कौन करी? After some time, the leader of the wise men said, तांकर नेता कहला किछि समय पर नेता कहला, we started our journey on a bad day. आमे गोटे दुर्दिन रे यात्रा आरंभ कले. So we lost one of us. जेनुकरी आमे जने हरै देले. We will not go on now. आमे आउ जीवानी. Let's go back home. The others agreed. Right? The wise men swam across the river and reached the other bank. The wise men swam across the river. नदरे पहरी गले. Reached the other bank. अन्य पार्श्व पहुंचले. A poor illiterate अशिक्षित man from their village saw them. गोटे अशिक्षित से गाँवली लोक से देखिले. He is asked, aren't you going on your journey? तमे आओ यात्रा करी जीवनी ना? Who asked? The illiterate man asked them. Now let's see what happened. No, we weren't not. आमे जीवनु said the leader of the wise men. We lost ना आमे आओ जीवनु. The leader of the wise men said, we lost one of our friends in the river, so we are going back home. आमे जेतु गोटे सांग हरै देलु, आमे आउ जुबनु. Who did you lose? का हरैला? We don't know. आमे जानिनु. We were 6, now we are only 5. This is the hillman. Okay. आमे 6 जन थिलु, वर्तमान आमे 5 जन अछु. Okay. Next, the illiterate villager counted them. The man counted them. Ganile. They who counted again? The illiterate man. They were 6. Se mane 6 jan thile and not 5. He thought these men are really foolish. गद्दा जाक मूर्ख गुड़ाक से भाविला जे दे really foolish वास्तव रे मूर्ख. Each of them counted only the others. प्रत्येक जन तांकु छाड़ी के अन्य जन गणुतले. So he counted 5. Now I shall teach them how to count. किमिति गणिबार I shall teach them. मु सेमानको शिखेइबि. Teach means शिक्षा देबि. He then told them, stand in a line. गोटे धाड़ी छिड़ा हुआ. I shall count mu ganbi. The villager went to the first man, gave a rap on his head, and counted 1. He gave a rap on the second man's head, and counted 2. In this way he went on. He gave a rap on the 6th man's head, and counted 6. Now you see, you are 6 and not 5. When the man counted, there were 6 people, not 5. Hey, you are right. We are 6 now. One of the wise men said. गोड़े कहला नाई रे, हमें 5 नहीं. We are 6. The leader of the wise men said, It is good that the missing man has come back. ଯାଉ ଭଲ ହେଲା ଆମର ହଜି ଯାଇଥିବା ଲୋକଟା ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲା. Actually, is it so? କି ଆଇଲା? No, he was there only.
सत्य कथा
Yeah. So the leader of the wise men said, "It is good that the missing man has come back. Poliasi, now let's go on our journey. Let's see whether they went on their journey or not." This is what? So, word dealing, quarrel. Quarrel verb. V means verb. Verb means action word, that is kriya. So, to have an angry argument, kali. Quarrel means kali, kajya, jhagada. Vasudeva today Vasudeva quarreled with Balarama. Aji Vasudeva Balarama ସହିତ ଝଗଡ଼ା କଲା. Send heal absent by the sea or in the deepest ବାଲିଉଙ୍କା ବା ବାଲି ପାହାଡ଼. We see sand hill in desert. ମରୁଭୂମିରେ ଆମେ ବାଲି ପାହାଡ଼ ଦେଖୁ. Shepherd, a person who looks after sheep. ମେଷ ପାଳକ. Shepherd means ମେଷ ପାଳକ.
I shepherd
No, the shepherd boy was watching his sheep. Next, tailpiece, agree verb. Have the same opinion as someone has. Rajyeva, I agreed with Vasudeva. ମୁଁ ବାସୁଦେବର କଥାରେ ରାଜି ହେଲି. Drone, verb. To die in the water because you can't breathe. ପାଣିରେ ବୁଡ଼ିଯିବା. The boy drowned in the pond and died. Illiterate, opposite literate, not able to read or write. ମୂର୍ଖ ବା ନିରକ୍ଷର. He is an illiterate person. ସେ ଜଣେ ନିରକ୍ଷର, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିନି. Missing, lost. My brother has been missing for 3 days. Could understand? Next one is rap. Rap means to hit something quickly and lightly. धीरे आघात देवा. Rap. ହେଲା. Verb. No, this is verb. Our teacher rapped on our back out of love. Next, silly, opposite, sensible, wise, foolish. Silly means boka. Silly means boka. She is a silly boy. Could you understand? Boka piladi. Okay, that is the end of today's lesson. We will have next lessons in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.